what do you have to say about this response? और sir, ऐसा हिंदी फिल्मों में sir स्वागत करने की opportunity मैं ले सकता हूँ. I'll take that opportunity of welcoming you here. So what do you have to say, sir?
Well, first of all, thank you so much. As I call him Jackana, yaar. I can't call him Rajmouli. For me, it's Jackana always. So Jackana is this great sculptor. So I don't know, when we started our relationship together a few years ago, I don't know, Jackana just stuck in my head, and it was only Jackana for then, from then. But yeah, as you said, when such trailers come out, you just want to listen to the response rather than say anything about it. And it's my first interaction with the media here. I'm nervous, I'm very nervous. Yeah, first interaction with them. Very nervous, makes me feel I've gone back 20 years again in the industry. Well, looking forward. Thank you so much.
I remember launching the Glimpse, rather, it was a collaboration with PVR and RRR. We were here, Sir was here. He was very humble that day also, और आज भी वैसे ही हाल है. And I had posted a couple of pictures. Sir, उसके बाद मेरे को स्टार वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी. आपका तो मैं कह भी नहीं सकता कहाँ होगा, because your fan following is, I don't have words, sir. What do you have to say to all the
Truly
fans,
blessed,
sir? यहाँ पे
truly
ये जो बैठे
blessed.
हैं.
Thank you so much, guys. Truly, truly blessed. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Truly blessed.
It's so good to have you all here. Thank you so much. And now it's over to the media. I know आप लोगों के बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. So shoot.
First media, please.
I'll come to the fans.
Media,
yeah.
media.
First media, then fans.
अजय जी here. जी. भावना शर्मा नव भारत. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि अभी हमने आपका एक सॉन्ग देखा, जननी. इतना मेस्मराइजिंग, इतना खूबसूरत कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ उसका एक्सपीरियंस. राजा मौली जी का जो सिनेमा है वो बहुत अलहदा है, ये तो हम जानते हैं, बहुत अलग तरह का है. लेकिन आप खुद एक डायरेक्टर हैं, तो डायरेक्टर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको उनकी क्या चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा अपील की, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रेसिव?
राजामौली जी का जो सिनेमा है वो अलग नहीं है, वो एक ही सिनेमा है, इनका ही सिनेमा है. सिर्फ कोई और उस किस्म का सिनेमा बनाने की कोशिश करता भी होगा तो आई थिंक बहुत मुश्किल है अचीव करना. सो इनकी सोच बहुत बड़ी के अलावा बिल्कुल अलग है. एंड आई रिमेंबर हिम टेलिंग मी, और बहुत अर्दी है. और इन्होंने मुझे एक बात बताई थी, ये इन्होंने कैरेक्टर्स की स्टडी कहाँ से की है, और हर रोज़ ये हर नए किस्म की नए वर्जन की एक महाभारत पढ़ते हैं. और महाभारत एक ऐसी है कि उसमें दुनिया का कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं बचा जो उसमें नहीं है. आप कोई भी कैरेक्टर पकड़ लीजिए दुनिया के किसी कोने से, वो वहीं से निकला हुआ होगा. सो आई थिंक वो जो कैरेक्टराइजेशन करते हैं और वो जो उस हिसाब से सोचते हैं और कैरेक्टर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचते हैं, आई थिंक इट इज़ फैबुलस.
Hi, sir. Over to you is, NTR sir is actually known to be fire in Telugu cinema, and Ramcharan sir is known to be the ice. And you have cast them as a contrast over here. So could you tell us the idea behind casting the two of them as fire and ice in a contrasting way?
To tell it commercially, if I show them how the other directors have shown them, then I won't be special. So I want to be special, and so I. But see why I chose them for that characters is the characterization itself. Right? There are certain aspects of Bhim that can be portrayed only by NTR. There are certain portions, certain characteristics of Ram that can be portrayed only by Charan. So the characters made me choose them for their roles rather than their images. Yeah.
Okay. And NTR sir, firstly, welcome to Mumbai and welcome to Hindi cinema with
you.
RRR.
Thank you so much.
So my question to you is, do you believe an SS Rajamouli film is the perfect vehicle for any actor to, go to a pan-India film? Because after this, your lineup are all, multilinguals, be it Kotala, Shiva, or the other films, Prashant, all the... So do you think this is the perfect vehicle for you to enter into this space?
Absolutely. Why not? Seriously, absolutely. Yeah, it's like, especially when you... See, let me not talk about the business aspect in this, but as an actor, for me, Rajmouli has been one director who's always satisfied my thirst of wanting to do something new. Something, you know, an actor should not be very comfortable. He should not. And Rajmouli is one of the very, very, very few directors who's tickled that part in me. It's not only the films he does with me, but in general also, you know, when we discuss, you know, he's been a very close friend for a very long time in my life. And when I discuss scripts, you know, he's this person in my life who pushes me to get out of my, my comfort zone. And as you said, you know, being a part of Triple R has really opened out a lot of doors for me as an actor. I'm very happy to accept it also.
Thank you so much and looking forward.
Thank you, Umesh. Thanks a lot.
Hi, this is Isha Chavla.
This is Manara Chopra.
Hi, this is Kartikeya. నేను డైరెక్టర్ తేజ అని.
Press the bell icon for more updates.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDreams. For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And you're watching iDream Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream Media.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the button below.
Don't forget to subscribe to iDream.